what is the value of k? Given that you have this, open bracket, k divided by 3, close it, to the power of 6 equals 2 to the power of 6. Remember, when you have a divided by b, all in parentheses, to the power of n equals a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n. So when we apply it here, we are going to have k to the power of 6 divided by 3 to the power of 6 equals 2 to the power of 6. And when you cross multiply, this one divided by 1, so we are going to have k to the power of 6 times 1 equals 3 to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 to the power of 6. Then also you recall, when you have a to the power of n multiplied by b to the power of n, this equals as when you have a, b, all in parentheses to the power of n. So we have here to be k to the power of 6 equals 3 times 2, all in parentheses, to the power of 6. So we have here to be k to the power of 6 equals 6 to the power of 6. 3 times 2 will give us 6, then to the power of 6. Then let's take this one to here and set everything to be equal to 0. So we have k to the power of 6 minus 6 to the power of 6. We have everything to be equal to 0. Then we can write this 6 as k to the power of 3, all in parentheses, then to the power of 2, minus 6 to the power of 3, all in parentheses, to the power of 2. Then we set everything to be equal to 0. It is believed that 3 times 2 will give us 6. 3 times 2 will give us 6 back. Now, mere looking at this is a difference of 2 square. This one has power 2. This one has power 2. Remember, when you have a square minus b square, always equals as when you have a plus b, all in parentheses, multiplied by a minus b. So here will be k to the power of 3 plus 6 to the power of 3, all in parentheses as this, again multiplied by k to the power of 3 minus 6 to the power of 3 as this. Then we set everything to be equal to 0 from here. Now, for this particular expression to be equal to 0, is either we have k to the power of 3 plus 6 to the power of 3 equals 0, or we have k to the power of 3 minus 6 to the power of 3 to be equals 0. Then let us also recall from some of the two cube, when you have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, always equals as a plus b, then again multiply by a square minus ab plus b square. So this one equivalent to this. When you apply it here, what we are going to have will be, so from here we have our a to be equals k to the k and our b to be equals 6. So this implies we have k plus 6 as this multiplied by k square minus a is k, b is 6. We have here to be 6k. Then b square will be 6 square will be 36. Then we set everything to be equals 0. So now from here, for this expression to be equal to 0, it's either we have k plus 6 equals 0, or we have k square minus 6k plus 36 to be equals 0. So from here we have k to be equals minus 6 as our first solution. Then from here, we apply the quadratic formula k equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where we have parameter a to be the coefficient of k square, 1, parameter b, the coefficient of k, minus 6, and c equals 36. So from here, we have k to be equals minus b will be this minus 6, then we have it to be 6, positive or negative, then square root of minus 6, all in parentheses, to the power of 2, minus 4, times a is 1, times c is 36. Then all divided by 2 times 1. So we have k to be equals 6, positive or negative, square root of 36. 4 times 1 is 4, times 36 will give us 144. Then all divided by 2. So from here, we have k equals 6, positive or negative, square root of 36 minus 114 will give us 1 minus 108 divided by 2. We have k equals 6, positive or negative. We can have this one to be 108 times minus 1 divided by 2. So we have k to be equals 6, positive or negative. We can also have this 108 as 36 times 3 times minus 1, then divided by 2. So from here we have k to be equals 6, positive or negative, root of 36 multiplied by root of 3 multiplied by root of minus 1, then all divided by 2. So from here we have k to be equals 6, positive or negative, root of 36 will give us 6 multiplied by root 3, root of minus 1 will give us I divided by 2. Let's distribute this for this and this. We have k equals 6 divided by 2, positive or negative, 6 root 3i divided by 2. So from here we have k to be equals, this divided by this will give us 3, positive or negative, 3 root 3i. So for the case 1, we have k to be equals minus 6, and also k equals 3, positive or negative, 3 root 3i as this. Then for case 2, where we have k to the power of 3 minus 6 to the power of 3 equals 0, when we have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared as this. Then from here, when we apply it, we are going to have k minus 6. Because our a is k, our b is 6, here will be k squared will be plus 6k plus b squared will be 6 squared will be 36. Then we set everything to be equal 0 from here. And from here, is either we have k minus 6 equals 0, or we have k squared plus 6k plus 36 equals 0. For this expression to be equal 0, then we also have another solution to be k equals 6. Then to get another solution, so we're going to have from here k to be equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, where the parameter a is the coefficient of k squared, 1. Parameter b is the coefficient of k, 6. Parameter c is the constant, which equals 36. So therefore, when you substitute everything, we have k to be equals minus outside 6, positive or negative, square root of 6 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, 1 multiplied by b, multiplied by c, 36, then divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So from here we have k to be equals minus 6, positive or negative, root of 36. 4 times 1 times this will give us minus 144. Then all divided by 2. So we have k to be equals minus 6, positive or negative, square root of minus 108 divided by 2. So from here we have k to be equals minus 6, positive or negative, root of 108 times minus 1 divided by 2. This time this will give us back. So we have k to be equals minus 6, positive or negative, square root of 36 times 3 times minus 1. 36 times 3 will give us 108, all divided by 2. So from here we have k equals minus 6 positive or negative root of 36 times root of 3 times root of minus 1, all divided by 2. We have k to be equals minus 6 positive or negative 6 root 3i divided by 2. So from here, let's distribute this for this. We have k minus 6 divided by 2, positive or negative 6 root 3i divided by 2. So we have k to be equals this divided by this, we have it to be minus 3, positive or negative. This divided by this, we have 3 root 3i, where we also have k to be equals 6. Here's another solution. We also have another solution where we have k equals minus 6, and we also have k equals 3, positive or negative 3 root 3i. So when you count this solution, this one is 4, 5, 6. So if you are new and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye bye.